Okay, let's make us start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a piece of good news you heard from others. Yes.
Thanks, sir. Well, recently, last night, I received a phone call from my best friend. He told me that I got a Canadian visa successfully, for which I was applying from last year. I was a bit surprised to hear about this news. I decided to meet my friend. I took my bike and went toward my friend. Finally, I reached my friend home. He told me that this news is real. I was shocked, but bit I was excited about this news. Finally, I took a cool breath and
I took a cool
cool breath
breath
and said thanks God,
and said, Thank God.
because this news was the good news of my life.
Okay, thank you. Now, the first thing is I appreciate your confidence that
Yeah,
you're trying to speak well, you're
yeah,
trying to use a variety of words, and
yeah.
you're creating your accent as well for good
Thanks,
pen score. This is very positive.
thanks.
Second thing is you need to work on your grammar, especially
Yes,
your sentence structure.
yeah,
So, like if you work on your basic tenses,
yeah.
present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect, continuous, that's it.
Okay.
Learn these 5 tenses, and they are enough for IELTS speaking, IELTS writing, and then you need to know how to make compound sentences.
Yeah.
Okay, so work on these things, you'll be perfectly fine.
All right.
Thank you so much.